All right, right now I am cooking an arroz caldo. We call it arroz caldo and pollo, right? Arroz caldo and pollo. So arroz caldo with chicken. That's another way to put it. But I'm using ossobuco, how to make ossobuco cooking technique. It's pretty much the same way how typical arroz caldo is cooked, but I'm putting a little bit of twist on this because I don't have the oxtail. I don't have the oxtail ingredient here. I have the chicken. All right, I got all the ingredients here. I'm just waiting for the rice to be cooked, and that would be it. All right, this is my arroz caldo and pollo, also known as arroz caldo with chicken, with a twist of ossobuco cooking technique. All right. So I'm done cooking it right here. All right. So this is how I plate my arroz caldo con pollo or en pollo. Yeah, con pollo. Not en pollo but con pollo. All right, so this is a little bit of twist. So this is arroz caldo with chicken, but I'm using a little bit of technique coming from ossobuco, how to cook ossobuco how to cook ossobuco, right? This is chicken. This is not an oxtail, by the way. It's dry. I'm supposed to put a sauce on this, but I decided not to for my own reason. Okay. All right. This is arroz caldo con pollo. All right. Or arroz caldo with chicken with a twist of ossobuco cooking technique.